Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of Realme GT Neo 3T versus Vivo iQOO Neo 6. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about dimension. Height. GT Neo 3T has 162.9 mm height and Neo 6 has 163 mm height. Width. GT Neo 3T has 75.8 mm width and Neo 6 has 76.2 mm width. Thickness. GT Neo 3T has 8.7 mm thickness and Neo 6 has 8.5 mm thickness. Weight. GT Neo 3T has 195 gram weight or Neo 6 has 190 gram weight. Let's talk about display. A screen size. Realme GT Neo 3T has 6.6 inches screen size and Vivo iQOO Neo 6 has also 6.62 inches screen size. Resolution. GT Neo 3T has 1080p resolution or iQOO Neo 6 has also 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. Realme GT Neo 3T has 20:9 aspect ratio or iQOO Neo 6 has also 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Neo 3T has 398 ppi pixel density and Neo 6 has also 398 ppi pixel density. Display type. GT Neo 3T has AMOLED display or iQOO Neo 6 has also an AMOLED display. Protection. GT Neo 3T has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and iQOO Neo 6 has also Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. A screen to body ratio. GT Neo 3T has 85.7% screen to body ratio or iQOO Neo 6 has 85.2% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera. Start with Realme GT Neo 3T. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.3 or micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk Vivo iQOO Neo 6. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording features. Realme GT Neo 3T can record 4K video or Neo 6 also can record 4K video at 30 fps. Front camera. GT Neo 3T has 16 megapixel front camera and iQOO Neo 6 has also 16 megapixel front camera. Both can record 1080p video. Let's talk about hardware in detail. Realme GT Neo 3T and iQOO Neo 6 both the phone have Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor that's come of 7nm processor. CPU. Realme GT Neo 3T and iQOO Neo 6 both the phone have octa-core Cryo 585 and Cryo 585 CPU. Let's talk hardware. GPU. Realme GT Neo 3T has Adreno 650 and iQOO Neo 6 has also Adreno 650 GPU. RAM. Realme GT Neo 3T has 6GB 8GB RAM variant and iQOO Neo 6 has also 6GB 8GB RAM variant. Internal storage. Realme GT Neo 3T has 128 to 56GB internal storage or Neo 6 has also 128 to 56GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. Realme GT Neo 3T doesn't support any card slot or Neo 6 also doesn't support any card slot. Battery. GT Neo 3T has 5000 mAh battery or iQOO Neo 6 has 4700 mAh battery. Fast charging. Realme GT Neo 3T has 80 watt fast charger or iQOO Neo 6 has also 80 watt fast charger. Operating system. Realme GT Neo 3T has Android 12 Realme UI 3.0 or iQOO Neo 6 has also Android 12 FunTouch 12. Let's talk both the phone connectivity. Start with Realme GT Neo 3T. It's have a under display fingerprint. It support 5G network, support NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or 120Hz high refresh rate. Let's talk Vivo iQOO Neo 6 connectivity. It's also support under display fingerprint, support 5G network, NFC, 120Hz high refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 5. Let's talk both the phone price. Realme GT Neo 3T come around $38,000 of $475 of 6GB RAM variant or iQOO Neo 6 come around $30,000 of $383 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's talk both the phone result. If we talk design wise, both the phone are look gorgeous. Camera wise, both the phone are similar. Hardware wise, both the phone have Qualcomm Snapdragon 870. Connectivity wise, both are same. Charging wise, also both are same. There is a little bit difference on the battery of GT Neo 3TS 5000 or iQOO Neo 6S 4700. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day. Thank you.